know it, she's just a one wire now. And it works. Today on Rumble's Speed Shop, we're at home. So we were out on the ATV trails walking around, and I found me a pair of pliers. So I set me a timer for 45 minutes. So what we're gonna do is soak them in the Pepsi. I've never tried it, so I don't know how it works, but we're gonna see if it'll clean up the rust, just like they said that. I know it's not Coca-Cola, but everybody says if you soak it in Coca-Cola, that it'll get rid of the rust. But we don't have Coca-Cola. Somebody likes Pepsi.
Coca-Cola Zero.
So, shut up. So, we're using Pepsi because I used my last can of Coke with rum. So hopefully, because it's some sort of cola, it'll work the same. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. So after 45 minutes in the Pepsi, they're still locked up solid. So, I mean, there's some rust that's come off of them, but not a lot. So I set the timer for another hour. So we'll see what happens. I would have had Coke, but somebody doesn't like to drink Coke. They like Pepsi. But it's okay, because it's still cola. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So after an hour of 45 minutes in Pepsi, they look like this. I think we're making some progress. So we'll let it sit for like another 2 hours. We'll see what happens. Well, it's the next morning here, and check out these pliers. I had to, I couldn't do it with two hands, but I had to take a little bit of, take a screwdriver and scrape some of the rust out right in here. And they open and close, and they almost function the way that, actually here, they do. They open and close both ways. So the idea of soaking them in cola all night to free them up does work. And you can see, if it'll focus, there is some pretty clean metal there. So I guess whether it's Pepsi or Coke, it'll free them up. So I think these pliers that I found on the railroad tracks yesterday, I think I'm gonna sandblast and keep and paint them up and keep them. Because if they work, they work. So if you like the the boring quarantine video, then like, share, subscribe, and have fun. Get out and live. Thanks for watching.